What's up guys, it's me Geek. So finally I bought a folding case for my Note 10, Huawei Honor Note 10. So here is the case. Let me take this one out and let me put my Note 10. Okay, this is a quite beautiful case as you can see. It fit quite beautifully at the end of the day. Can you see? I mean, maybe I can watch something like this. Okay, it's like the stand is like slippery, it fall down easily as you can see. Okay, for watching video, so this is not a good. For this angle is good, but for this angle is slip down. Overall, I like the feel. I like the feel of this case. I think that this is a quite good value for money case out there. I can recommend for like just for watching the videos. I think I can recommend the ladder, not this one. This is slippery, but other than that, it's a good case. And it was me, Gmagic. Subscribe and bye. This one is from MOFI. Where's my 1F go? It just fell down. Okay, just let me remove the entire. Okay, now it's good. More. This is a movie case. I don't know what happened. It was me, Jimmy.